Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Pets and Kids. Today you're going to get a little review on a summer infant medical grooming set. You get this cute little bag that everything came in. It does zipper shut. And they do have these for boys if you're wondering. This was purchased at Wal-Mart. You get an emergency card so that you can write down all your baby's important medical information. You have their name, their parent's name, emergency contact person. Very important, any allergies or medications that the baby's taking or may have. And then along here, you get a little finger gum brush. And this comes in its own little case. So when you're traveling, you can take that with you. And you also get a forehead thermometer, which is also very important. And as you see, it gives you, let me turn that around for you. As you see, it tells you everything you need to know, whether you use Fahrenheit or Celsius. And as a new mom, which is very important, tells you what grade of fever your baby has. This also comes inside its own little kit, which is right here. Its own little case. Nail clippers. Very important. A thermometer. Cute little pink thermometer with its own little case as well. The nose sucker. A gum brush. Teeth, gums, cheeks, tongue, a medicine syringe, goes all the way to 3 mL, and a medicine pacifier. 2 little holes in there. Fill the medicine here inside this little cup, which also is marked for your convenience. Screw it in, and if your baby uses a pacifier, they could just suck the medicine right out of there. No mess. Also, you get a little comb to go with that. And there is a hairbrush that I seem to have forgotten, but it's the same color. It is pink as well. And that is what comes in your baby's summer infant pink safety set. Little grooming kit. So I hope this helps you guys pick out your own. And as always, thanks for watching and like us as well.